This episode on Sailing Popao. Michael's absolutely cleaned up this afternoon. I haven't managed to shoot a thing. Thank you! Good morning, Michael.
Morning. We're just at Blue Pearl Bay again at Hayman Island. Bit of deja vu. But we've got like a week of epic weather.
The forecast doesn't get bad.
Yeah, it's just epic. So we're going to go back out to the reef, explore a few other spots. Excited.
Hopefully we last longer than an afternoon this time.
Yeah, I know. We've eaten all the fish too, so we're ready to stock up again. Going on, Jess?
Just flying along out to the reef, hopefully. It's flying about 15 knots on the beam pretty consistently, so it's actually perfect sailing conditions right now.
So here we are anchored behind this nice bobby. Yeah, we're just gonna go launch a tender and go for a little explore. We're the only people here. We didn't film much coming in because it's like the whole reef just covered in bommies. There's hardly any just pure sandy patches. But I think we found a good one.
It is stunning, so beautiful. We're just checking the area around the anchor now to make sure there's no bommies shallow enough that we might hit them if we swing around. And then we're going to go check out some other spots and see what's around. What are you doing, Michael?
Playing my sounder that I put in here.
Woohoo!
Working epic. Oh, there's like 20 squid on the anchor.
As we were digging in for a few days and would be away from the boat diving a lot, we wanted to be comfortable knowing our anchor was set and the swing room was clear. About to jump in for a dive. I actually marked this spot coming into the anchorage, and yeah, it certainly pays off having that sounder on the big boat, because as we're coming in I was just marking. This one looked pretty good though, and now we've just marked it on the boat sounder, on the tender sounder. Does it look alright, Michael?
Yeah, all white there, big arches on it.
Full of sharks.
Just trying to figure out how to mark it.
Nice. Oh well, we'll jump in and hopefully we can shoot some dinner because we have 0 fish left.
Shark mackerel are delicious, but they do smell a lot like sharks and take a little bit of extra prep, so I let this one swim.
Good one.
How big do you reckon?
Oh, I don't know, 6 or 7, something like that.
Nice.
Beautiful
That's it?
fish. Oh, it wasn't even that deep. 15, 16 maybe.
Yeah, because the stomach's come out.
Epic.
Ew.
So good. There's so many nice fish down there.
Oh well, I have a headache and I've got to get out. Nice trout. Terrible shot. How bloody good. Not bad. Look at that dinner. Look at that. That's a big tusky.
Solid dusky.
I'm very jealous. Oh well, belly shot trout will have to do. Day 2. What are we doing, Michael?
Just a bit of a bommy exploration. We've got the new CMAP reveal charts on the big plotter, and it just shows all these bommies that are not on the chart, which is actually what we ran over the other day. So yeah, full of fish.
You got a few marks off there.
We got all the marks on there, so
We're gonna head out now and check some of them out, and yeah, go dive some shallow stuff and hopefully look for some crays, as well as hit those bommies up for some fish. So we're just in this little shallow section of the reef. Yeah, we're just going to send the drone up now and show you how epic this place is. Absolutely beautiful. I just stuck my head over to have a look, and there was a dozen spangled emperor just cruising under. I reckon we just drift through. That current's running that way off the, like that, isn't it? So we could just jump here to just drift through the coral, just push the boat around.
So we just came out from diving that shallow stuff with drone before, and yeah, just shot a nice little tusky and saw some nice ones in there actually. But yeah, we're just out in the deeper stuff here, looking at some of the charts that the CMAP reveal showed us, some of the bommies in the shows. And yeah, like if you're driving through here in your boat, it's like 18 meters it says on the chart, and it comes up to 3. So yeah, it's definitely paying for itself. But we're just using it strictly for fishing. I jumped in and this small mackerel swam straight up to me. I wasn't ready and totally missed it on my GoPro.
perfect size.
Yeah.
So we saw lots of Spanish yesterday, but they're all too big. Which I thought I'd never hear myself saying, but this is a perfect eating size.
He looks heaps bigger too.
It's perfect.
That's even better than I thought.
Yeah. Got some sashimi now, which you can put in the freezer and make poke bowl. The other benefit of shooting smaller mackerels is less chance of ciguatera. With a bit of wind picking up, I was going boaty as it's too hard to tow the tender and stay with the other diver. Michael came across this smaller red emperor and, having already shot a few in his lifetime, called me over to shoot my first. While they certainly aren't the smartest, they are a delicious eating reef fish and something I'd been keen to chase for a long time.
Some?
You shot a mackerel.
No, it's nice. It's a beautiful day. Just got a first red emperor. She's very happy about that. And yeah, explored a lot of cool bommies, heaps of big GTs and all sorts of cool stuff.
It was about this stage that every day started to blend together. Sleeping in, sorting the camera footage, refueling the tender and going for an afternoon dive.
So we just saw this big arch on the sounder. I thought, oh, it's a shark for sure. So I put my mask on, stuck my head under, I couldn't see anything. And then I looked right under the hull and there's a flying fish just like playing right under the transducer. Eating sauce.
The new sounder was such a game changer. We found this cave after noticing a strange reading on the screen. The entire bommy was hollow.
There's a hectic bug. I saw a trout and I was like, oh, I really want to shoot a red throat. And I turned around and I was like, oh, there's one. Oh no, brutal.
Markle's absolutely cleaned up this afternoon. I haven't managed to shoot a thing. But he's got 2 nice tuskies, a red emperor with a missing eye.
Red throat.
Oh, red throat, what did I say?
Red emperor.
Oh, and a nice trout on the end there. Just turn it in. Yeah. Beautiful.
With freezers full of fish and a new yacht in the anchorage, we did a trade. They cooked up our catch after a long day's diving, in return for a couple of extra fillets. That's pretty much the closest thing you're going to get to takeaway on the reef. Join us next episode as we head for better reef protection during a small blow.
People don't realise how hard it is to get footage of fish. I get this big camera lens that looks like a huge eye and show you my go-to meal for cooking up fish. I think it's the best way to cook fish.
If you'd like to support us further, you can sign up on Patreon for ad-free early videos, bonus content and perks. A huge thanks to our current patrons for your ongoing support.